My brother and sister, have you ever felt a quiet pull in the middle of the night, a nudge to wake, reflect and pray? That is Allah calling you. Every night holds a special opportunity for mercy, guidance and closeness to your Creator. Today, we explore why every moment counts and how responding to Allah's call can transform your heart and your life forever. In Islam, the night is not just a time for sleep. It is a unique opportunity for spiritual connection with Allah. The world is quiet, distractions are minimal, and hearts are naturally reflective. This stillness allows a person to turn inward, ponder over their actions, and reach out to Allah in a way that is almost impossible during the busy hours of the day. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that the last third of the night is a special time when Allah descends to the lowest heaven and calls upon His servants. Who is calling upon me so that I may answer them? This shows the immense value of nighttime worship and how much Allah loves to hear from His servants. Engaging in prayer, Dhikr, remembrance of Allah, or seeking forgiveness at night helps the heart feel closer to Allah and strengthens faith. It is a time for sincerity when one can speak to Allah freely, express fears, hopes and gratitude without any pretense. Moreover, these moments cultivate a sense of humility and reliance on Allah, reminding us that worldly distractions are temporary, while the spiritual rewards of sincere connection are everlasting. Truly, the night is a gift, a special time to respond to Allah's call, purify the heart and deepen one's relationship with the Creator, bringing peace, guidance, and immense barakah into life. Tahajjud, the voluntary late-night prayer, holds a special place in Islam. Unlike the obligatory prayers, Tahajjud is performed in the quiet hours of the night when the world sleeps and distractions are few. This act of devotion reflects a believer's sincerity, love, and commitment to Allah, seeking closeness beyond the routine of daily worship. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ emphasized the significance of Tahajjud, describing it as a practice that draws a servant nearer to Allah, purifies the heart and strengthens faith. The Quran says that Allah descends during the last third of the night, asking, "Who is calling upon me that I may respond to them?" This divine invitation illustrates the mercy, nearness and accessibility of Allah during these blessed hours. Performing Tahajjud is not merely a ritual, it is a gateway to forgiveness, guidance and immense spiritual reward. It allows believers to reflect, repent, make heartfelt du'as and express gratitude without distraction. Even a few quiet moments in prayer at night can transform the heart, bring tranquility to the soul, and illuminate one's life with divine guidance. In essence, Tahajjud is more than a prayer. It is a direct conversation with the Most Merciful, a means to attain His pleasure, and a powerful reminder that Allah's mercy is ever present for those who seek it sincerely, even in the silence of the night. Spiritual growth in Islam is a journey that demands sincerity, dedication, and sacrifice. It is not merely about performing rituals or following routines. It is about transforming the heart, strengthening faith, and drawing closer to Allah. One of the most powerful ways this growth is achieved is by responding to Allah's call, especially during moments that require personal effort, like rising for the night prayer, Tahajjud. Sacrifice in this context often means giving up comfort, sleep, or worldly pleasures to prioritize worship and reflection. While it may feel challenging to wake up in the quiet of the night, these moments of devotion carry immense spiritual value. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "The most beloved deeds to Allah are those performed consistently, even if they are few." This teaches us that even small sacrifices done sincerely are beloved to Allah and can transform the soul. Spiritual growth also involves sacrificing distractions that pull us away from Allah. Excessive entertainment, idle talk, or unhealthy attachments. By consciously giving these up, a believer purifies the heart, focuses on the eternal, and strengthens their connection with Allah. Ultimately, sacrifice is not loss, it is investment. Each act of self-discipline and devotion brings a believer closer to Allah, enriches the soul and opens the door to mercy, guidance, and lasting spiritual elevation. In the stillness of the night, when the world is quiet and hearts are reflective, Allah calls His servants to draw near to Him. This call is more than an invitation to prayer. It is a profound reminder of the purpose of our existence. Every human being is created to worship Allah, seek His pleasure, and live a life aligned with His guidance. The night serves as a time to reconnect with this fundamental purpose. When Allah calls us through the quiet hours, whether through a prompting of the heart, to wake for tahajjud, to make dua, or to engage in dhikr, it is an opportunity to pause, reflect, and realign. Life is full of distractions, responsibilities, and worldly attachments, and it is easy to forget why we were created. The night offers a chance to step away from these distractions and focus solely on our relationship with Allah. Responding to this call strengthens the soul, purifies intentions, and brings clarity to our spiritual goals. It reminds us that our ultimate journey is not toward wealth, status, or fleeting comforts, but toward earning Allah's pleasure and eternal reward. Ignoring this call may mean missing an opportunity for mercy, guidance, and spiritual elevation. Truly, Allah's call in the night is a gentle yet powerful reminder. We were created to worship Him, and every sincere act of devotion brings us closer to fulfilling that purpose. In Islam, every moment of our life is precious, and every opportunity to earn Allah's pleasure is significant. The night in particular provides a unique window to engage in worship, reflection, and supplication. It is during these quiet hours that a believer can sincerely turn to Allah, away from distractions, and strengthen the bond with their Creator. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ emphasized the value of consistent devotion even in small amounts. The most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if they are few. This shows that quality, sincerity, and timing matter more than quantity. A single moment spent in prayer, dhikr, or heartfelt dua can carry immense reward, especially when performed with complete focus on Allah. Life is full of fleeting distractions, sleep, entertainment, or worldly pursuits. But Islam teaches that these moments should never prevent a believer from striving for Allah's pleasure. Every action, when done with the right intention, becomes an act of worship. Even a whispered prayer in the night, a heartfelt apology, or seeking forgiveness counts tremendously in Allah's sight. Recognizing the value of time encourages believers to act purposefully, prioritize their spiritual journey, and seize every opportunity to earn Allah's mercy. Truly, no moment should be wasted. Every second dedicated to Him brings peace, guidance, and eternal reward.